The app that I chose is the Explain Everything Whiteboard app, and it's basically just a virtual whiteboard with a few different features that a regular whiteboard doesn't have. This is the main screen that comes up when you first open the app, and basically all you have to do is push the plus button and create a new project. Then it'll ask you if you want to start with a certain template or if you want a blank screen or file upload or have a template that's already pre-made for you, and this will help you start off. Once you create a new project, I started with just a blank whiteboard. You can go to the side toolbar and create and click on what you want. So I clicked on the pencil, and this basically you can choose your color, font, whatever, and write things. And you also clicked on the eraser, and there's different types of erasers that you can use, and it's just helpful to, there's an easy toolbar that you can see if you play around with, it gets easier, and then you can create shapes like arrows to point to things, and just create all different types of things that you can lasso and move and just duplicate. And after you play around with it for a little bit, it gets a lot easier. You also can add text box, as you can see, and change the colors of everything, and it's just really good to play around with it before you use it for sure. But also, to use this in my classroom, I think this app is very efficient, to make things more efficient actually, because as much as I love to draw on the whiteboards like in the classroom, this will just help you. You'll never have to run out of ink. You never have to worry about like the space that you have, because you always have enough space on your whiteboard. And it also has a lot more features than a regular whiteboard. The part that I like about it is that the share feature, so you can export and save the video, or you can create a video web link to share, so that's just easy to like upload and save if you want to send it to a teacher or a different classmate. And you can also invite someone to edit the same board with you if you share the like editing rights with them. And I think this would be a great app for students in any grade level, because it's easy to use for any subject, and like it says on ages 4 and up, so that means anybody can use it, and it has purpose in every classroom, as long if a teacher wants to incorporate a lesson or something that would go along with using this whiteboard. In reviewing this app, I would use the student review rubric app that was given to us, and I would give it a 4 in basically everything, because the appeal, it looks good and it's very easy and to use. The engagement and motivation, it keeps you motivated because you always want to be doing something different and learning something new. User friendly, super easy to use, very clear. Performance and ease, there's no issues in loading, and the differentiation in learning, it can be used for any type of learning that any student needs.